Hey, hi guys. So today the topic of our session is about programming languages. So very first question comes in the mind कि what are exactly the programming languages and its work. So work in the sense how exactly these programming languages will be understood by the computer so that it will accordingly work or computes or process the things further. Correct? So there might be, you might have heard of the different languages like C, C++, Java, Python, R, etc., etc., etc. But if these are different languages, then how the computer alone understand these languages? Is there any different dictionary computer has, or any such kind of function or component it has so that it can convert all the languages into the understanding code and then process it further? So the questions are many and I am going to answer all these questions to you step by step. So let's begin. So very first thing, computer is actually a bigger term. But now for a while I'll be using a term processor. So assume that this is our processor. This is just an indicative diagram I'm drawing here. The point is, whatsoever task, command, activity or interaction you perform with the computer, actually it is the processor who takes that input and process it and give you output, which you can see on your screen, on your mobile phone, on your computer monitor. Correct? So there are different applications you daily use. There are different softwares you daily use. But every software runs in the computer or even your mobile phone. But the point here is, these two have the processor who actually takes the input you give and process it and give you the output. That basic remains same. So any digital device you come across, this is what going to happen. So how all these things are controlled and how these things are built? Of course using programming languages. That is the point. Correct? So just to name a few: C, C++, Java, Python, R, C#. There are many programming languages. So now if these are different languages, programming languages, so how processor understands these different languages? Correct? So processor does not understand any of these languages. No. Processor does not understand any of these languages. Processor only understands which we don't understand. So actually it is not so. It is just a machine language. मतलब मशीन जो है उसको ये समझता है ये एक्चुअली है क्या. These are binary bits, or this language is called as binary language. Binary. The term binary indicates that it has only two possible states or two possible literals, which are either 1 or 0. So whatever the input is always combination of 1 and 0. This is what called as machine language. So my point is, if processor doesn't understand all these languages, it only understands this machine language, then how the things actually work, how it performs all the operations, all the functions which we are giving as input and which are built using either of these languages. So there is always a component called as compiler. So what compiler does, whatever language you use or that software is built using any of these languages, the compiler will convert this particular code to the machine understandable code. That's what we call as machine language. So the program is first goes to the compiler, it compiles it, then it converts it to machine language, then the feeding is given to the processor, it processes whatever input is there, and then it will give output initially to the compiler, and compiler again converts whatever output which is received in this form back to the form which we can understand. So this is how any programming language work, or you can say any programming language would be understood by the processor. So I hope this particular point is clear to everyone to begin our journey to understand in detail about programming languages.